Hey, good morning, Bill. So yeah, we are at SeaBear, and of course there's gifts for the dogs, there's supplements as well, but let's get to the good stuff, the stuff that we really want to eat. I'm here with CEO Mike Mondello.
Hi,
we got salmon, and you guys have been in business for like over 60 years.
Over 60 years, yep.
So tell me about all this food, and can I try it?
You are going to try. Here we go.
Yeah.
So this is our smokehouse tasting flight, where we give an experience of different things from the smokehouse.
So it's not just me that gets this. Anyone can get this.
Anybody can get this.
Okay, all right.
Here, and then we're also going to be launching it in Seattle at our Pike Place Market Made in Washington store at the end of the month. So we have a lox, we have a Pacific Northwest style smoked salmon, a smoked Alaskan weather vane scallop, halibut that's been smoked and then put into a mousse, and finally our smokehouse slider.
Mike, let me ask you a question. I thought lox and salmon, I thought these were the same thing. What's the
They
difference?
are very different. So most people around the country know smoked salmon as lox.
Okay.
I grew up in the East Coast, and that's what everybody thinks
Sure,
of.
I'm from
smoked
the
salmon.
Midwest. Yeah, same thing.
But in the Pacific Northwest, our tradition for centuries now has been Pacific Northwest style, which is fully cooked and moist and flaky. So let's try these two first, and so
These
you can
two
see
first?
them.
Okay.
I'll tell you what you're tasting. So that's our lox.
Do I eat the whole thing?
Please.
Okay.
Well, whatever you'd like.
Twist my arm.
Okay.
I've never really said no to food.
So that's a lox, a nice silky smooth texture, right? It's cured but not cooked. That's what lox is. So it's smoked.
Cured but not cooked.
Right, smoked at a low heat.
This is different.
That's different. That is smoked at a high heat, so that's SeaBear's Pacific Northwest style. And smoked at high heat, cooked while it's smoking, and flaky and moist. And what you've just tried is our new garlic lovers. So I hope you're a garlic lover.
I'm a garlic lover, but anyone that comes near me for the rest of the day might not appreciate all this garlic.
That's
it's
okay.
so good.
Yes.
You had mentioned that, again, you can do this here in Anacortes, also in Seattle. Tell me about how you guys are launching this in Seattle.
So we're remodeling our Pike Place Market Made in Washington store, and we're going to be putting in a deli case, and we're going to have all of our smoked salmon available there, and we'll be having the smokehouse tasting flight, so people can come down and for a very minor sampling fee, try all of this.
Try all this. We're going to go back where they're filleting all the salmon, and we're actually going to get to work coming up next hour, but we're spending the entire morning here in Anacortes. Guys, back on over to you. We are behind the scenes at SeaBear. This is obviously salmon. Well, what is going to be really good sockeye salmon. I'm here with Miss Barbara. Now, we obviously take fish here and fillet it. How do we do this?
Well, UCL is about to show you, and filleting actually is kind of a lost art anymore. It's very hard to find good flayers down here, but they have, what a skill. So
what is he doing? I mean, is it harder than it looks? 'Cause it looks pretty
absolutely.
easy.
Well, we're going to try one here in just a moment, and I'll show you one side and let you try another. But
Okay.
it is a difficult.
And I definitely hear, it's not the Riz, but I hear the slicing that's happening. I mean, we got a whole bunch of stuff happening back here too. How long does it take to fillet an entire salmon?
Oh, they can do it in a matter of seconds. They're very. He's not doing it real fast, but he's very fast.
Oh, I want to try it.
Okay.
I want to try this.
Let's get you
did a
one
nice
here.
job. Yeah,
We're
you're
going to
welcome.
put this one aside,
Okay.
and when we do this, you're going to hold your hand right here.
Yep.
You know, put your knife here, and
Okay.
you're going to run it along the bone right here. Okay. And
Okay.
and then like down to here. So you need a glove.
Okay.
It's all about safety.
Right. It's all about safety. Well, you know, how about you do this part? This part's hard.
All right.
And scary because I see you need a glove. Okay.
And you can feel the bone, so we just run it along the side here.
Ooh,
okay.
yeah.
And then we just see.
And that's it?
That's it.
Oh, wait. Oh, okay. See, look. Guys, I did it. It was super fast. And then after we fillet this, we package them up. You package them up. I pretend like I work here. And then also, I know that you guys donate these to some of the troops.
We
too.
do. It goes to Treat the Troops.
Yeah.
And overseas, so that they can enjoy the nice fish from the Northwest and a little part of home.
A little part home. And we will talk more about how you can help treat the troops coming up next hour. But from behind the scenes at SeaBear, I got Barbara here with me and a lot of salmon. Again, talking about treating the troops coming up next hour. Guys, back over to you. Hey, good morning, Bill. Hi, Alex. So SeaBear, for every product that you buy, SeaBear Wild Salmon, they donate one to the troops. I'm here with Mike Mondello, right?
That's correct.
Oh,
There you
that's
go.
perfect. Good.
There you go.
All right, you're the CEO. What are we doing right now? And tell me about how we're treating the troops.
Okay, so this is a program we've been doing for a few years now. Customers buy 1 pouch of these ready-to-eat salmon, we match it 100%.
100%.
If they buy 5 pouches, we match it with 5. They buy 30, we match it with 30. And then we fill up boxes. And when we have enough to send to a troop, which is 60 pouches,
okay,
we send it off. And as you can see, we've sent over 20,000 of them so far to troops serving all around the world. It's a really cool program. We hear back from troops all the time about how much they love it. This is somebody who sent us a flag that flew over Iraq as a thank you to us.
That's pretty neat.
It's just so great from the generosity of our customers.
And again, that you guys match everything that people buy when they, again, buy 1 pouch, they donate 1. Now, where do you find these troops and how do you know where to send them to?
So people can nominate a troop. Anybody's welcome to do that at any time.
Where can we nominate?
They can call, so they can go on our website, SeaBear.com. And we've had times where we've had more pouches than troops that we can supply. And it's become so popular now that people have, we've actually got more nominations than we have pouches to fill. So we're looking for more nominations, more purchases that we can match as we head into the holidays.
Which I would imagine you're going to get pretty busy come the holidays, because the whole point of SeaBear wild salmon is that you guys put them in pouches so then that way they don't go bad. You can preserve them for a while.
That's right. This will ship all the way to Afghanistan, this particular one.
And then once we get to this box is getting a little heavy. I totally should have had you be the muscle. There we go.
Right.
And then you even put in one of these letters too. It's from Mike himself, but I love this line in particular. It says, "We hope you all enjoy the enclosed salmon as a taste of the Northwest and a very small token of thanks and gratitude from all of us for your service to our great country." So this is an amazing thing that you guys are doing, and again, not just you,
that our customers are doing.
That see, look, he's not even doesn't want to take credit for it. Again, if we want to nominate a troop that can receive one of these packages, where do we go?
SeaBear.com.
And if I don't want to drive all the way up to Anacortes, because let's say I live down in Puyallup, you're telling me that I might not have to drive all the way to Anacortes.
You don't. Go to the Made in Washington store at Pike Place Market. We're in the middle of remodeling it, and it'll be ready at the end of this month, and we'll be doing this program as well as our whole salmon program there.
Yes, and if you missed it earlier this morning, we did some salmon tastings. Like, you know how you can go and get beer flights? They got salmon flights. You can do that both at the Anacortes location and soon to be at the Pike Place location. So again, if you want to check that out, make sure you do so. Mike, thank you so much.
Thank you very much.
This is awesome. Guys, back on over to you.